Hey everyone, if you've spent time setting up multiple cloud storage remotes in Rclone, exporting your configuration is an important step for backup, migration, and disaster recovery. In this video, I'll show you how to export your Rclone configuration from start to finish in 2026. First, let's understand what the Rclone configuration contains. The configuration file stores your remote definitions, authentication settings, encryption configurations, and connection details for your cloud storage services. The simplest export method is copying the configuration file to a secure location such as another folder, an external drive, encrypted storage, or a backup service. If you're transferring your configuration to another computer, save the exported file somewhere you can access from the destination device. Another helpful step is documenting which cloud accounts and services are associated with each remote. This can simplify recovery if you ever need to rebuild your setup. If your configuration includes encrypted remotes, make sure you also securely store the associated passwords and encryption information. And that's how to export your Rclone configuration in 2026. By maintaining secure configuration backups, you can simplify migrations, speed up recovery, and protect your cloud storage setup from unexpected problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.